Hello everyone, let's dive into the AZZA Sanctum, a case that's making waves with its stunning design. This isn't just a box to hold your components, it's a showcase. The first thing that grabs you is the 4 full-side tempered glass panels. It provides a completely unobstructed, panoramic view of the system inside. Each panel is easily removable without tools, which is a huge plus for quick access during upgrades or maintenance. The dual-chamber design is another smart feature. The sleek aluminum base acts as a separate chamber, offering plenty of room for cable management. This keeps the main chamber clean and clutter-free, allowing the components to shine. The angled front fans in the base are ingeniously designed to pull air through the mesh cover, providing efficient airflow directly to the GPU. Speaking of cooling, the Sanctum is designed with thermal performance in mind. The bottom chamber allows for the addition of fans at an angle, directing airflow straight to the GPU, which is crucial for keeping those high-end cards cool. It also accommodates a 360mm radiator, making it suitable for advanced cooling solutions. The case supports a total of 7 fans, ensuring efficient airflow throughout the system. The quality of materials is evident throughout the Sanctum. The aluminum panels are precisely crafted by CNC machines, giving them a premium look and feel. The diamond-cut edges add a touch of elegance and refinement to the overall design. Accessibility is a key focus with the Sanctum. Each of the aluminum and glass panels provides effortless access to the motherboard, GPU, and power supply. This makes system maintenance and upgrade a breeze. The AZZA Sanctum 810 supports ATX motherboards and features a bottom-mounted power supply. It's a mid-tower case, so it strikes a good balance between size and expandability. The silver color gives it a sleek and modern look that will fit well in any setup. Overall, the AZZA Sanctum 810 is a visually stunning case that combines aesthetics with functionality. Its panoramic view, dual-chamber design, and focus on thermal performance make it a great choice for anyone looking to build a high-end gaming PC or workstation. If you're looking for a case that truly showcases your components and offers excellent cooling, the AZZA Sanctum 810 is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.